In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up AI buy and sell indicators on TradingView. Step 1 is to add indicators. Open TradingView, go to the indicators, and search for EMA or exponential moving average, and then add to chart. Third is to search for pivot point super trend, LAM BLL, and add to cart. Now from there, search for LAX IGO super trend AI and add to chart. Fifth, search on-chain trend ribbon, LA SAMW, and add to chart. The step 2 is to adjust settings. EMA like 200 length. Make it line bold and white. Pivot point super trend, set period 1, ATR factor. 2 is to ATR period 10. Step 3 is to trading rules. Buy if the price is above the 200 EMA. Buy signals from super trend AI, pivot point super trend, on-chain trend ribbon, which is highlighted in green. And sell if price is below the 200 EMA. Sell signals from true trend AI and pivot point super trend, on-chain trend ribbon, or highlighted in color red. Ignore signals if price is the wrong side of the 200 EMA. Step 4 is to exit and stop loss. Exit when any indicator gives an opposite signal. Stop loss at recent support or resistance. Trade in high volume markets, NASDAQ like Forex, crypto for better accuracy. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.